Hey everybody, and welcome. Today we're doing some furniture refinishing. Nothing really complicated, but if you're familiar with furniture refinishing, you know that every piece you do seems to be just a little bit different from everything else you've ever done. It's the case with this too. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, we've got this dresser. It is almost solid wood. It's poplar where there is solid wood. Like say you can see here in the drawers. We've got solid wood drawer construction here. This is poplar though. This finish is oak. So it has an oak veneer over poplar wood. So we really want to be careful about this veneer so that we don't damage it to the point of having to really get into some extensive stuff. Now, if you've got a piece like this and you want to do something different to it, change the color, something like that, it's definitely doable. Just don't go crazy with the sander. Don't put a bunch of furniture stripper on it because you might have a little disaster with the veneer. We're going to try to keep this really simple and really inexpensive. Our biggest investment in this is going to be elbow grease. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is take off this hardware. The customer's going to do something else with the hardware. Then we're going to scuff the fronts of these drawers up so that the paint will have something to adhere to. Then we're going to scuff the rest of everything else up. We're going to wipe it down really good. Then we're going to put a new coat of paint on it. We're going to have about maybe $30, $40, maybe $50 in it, depending on the cost of your materials. Probably going to take us about 6 hours. All right, let's take off all the hardware. Then I'm going to put it in a bag so we can keep up with it. Then I like to mark the bottom of each of the drawers so I can remember where they came from, because I like for them to go back in the same spot just in case. Then I want to vacuum everything out really well. Let's vacuum out the case really well. Want to lay this thing down and vacuum the bottom of it really well too. I did have to do a little repair on this leg. Then we start sanding. Sand, sand, sand. Then dust everything off really, really well. We're just going to do this over and over on all of the drawers, and then we'll make our way to the case. Being really careful, again, not to damage that veneer, but we do want to scuff it up really well so the paint can adhere. So this project, just like every project, is taking a little bit longer than I thought it would. That's okay, but I don't want to subject you guys to like an 8 or 10 minute long video of me going through all this stuff. I think I'll divide it up into 2 segments. We'll call up to this point the prep segment, and this is a lot of stuff, but we've been prepping, we've been getting everything ready. Now the next phase will be the painting, and we'll paint, then we'll put the wax on, we'll buff everything, and then we'll have the final reveal, and it'll be beautiful, and choirs will sing and all that. I do think this is a little long for one great big gigantic epic video, so I think we'll just chop this up into 2 halves. You guys have watched the first half, now get ready for coming the second half. Thanks a lot for being here the time that you've been here. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've gotten something out of it, and I hope you will watch the second half, and I hope you'll continue to get stuff out of it. Please give me a shout if you have any questions. If you have any comments, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. We're doing stuff like this all the time, and we would love to have you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.